Here we have the locking straps for the roller door. Now you need to make sure that it locks in underneath. As you can see, it's not there. See that? So what you do, if you hold that there, so you just give it a little shimmy left and right, and you want it locking in. So that looks good. And then you just get this, lock it. And then you finish off with the two fixings, just to hold it in place. So one there, like that. And another one there. You just follow this through all the way down, making sure that you give an equal enough distance between the collars, like so. You can see the last two there. And if you look, you can see the locking system underneath that locks on to the Opticon tube. Straightforward, but always make sure you get it nice and snug underneath there, because sometimes people miss them, and that's what allows the door to play up. So yeah, that's it really. So that's that one. Here is the NRG control board. As you can see with the wiring, left hand side motor, you start with the black. If you've got a right hand side motor, you switch the brown and the black round. How we do it is we take the second letter, so BL for black, left, BR for right, brown. And this is the NRG Control board from Euroroll UK. Quite a simple product. It's got the LED lighting system. It's one of the newest ranges out there at the minute.